Right, we'll have a look at this one. So, right, first of all, you leave y on the left hand side on its own. So that's a minus y equals. The x must come next. The x must come next. 3x goes across equals minus 3x. And then minus 4. Y should be positive. Looking up. Change the sign of the rest of them. That's sorted. Y, then x, then the number. We have to rearrange this one. So y is already on the left hand side. 5x goes across, it's minus 5x, and 10 goes across, it's plus 10. Alright, so that one's rearranged handy enough. So now we have to draw the two of them. Right, so with the first one, y is equal to 3x plus 4. We start off with plus 4 and the slope is, so that's plus 4 on the y-axis, and the slope is 3. So right, up 3, right, up 3, left, down 3, left, down 3, left, down 3. Join the line. This one over here, we start at 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the slope is minus 5. So that means right, down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So what do you think that point is? Point of intersection? What did you get?
27.5 and then 6.25.
Yeah. It's hard to read it from the graph, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if the answer is hard to read from the graph, then what we need to do is we need to do simultaneous equations. So I'll write down the two equations solved by using simultaneous equations. Right, look up and pay attention. Going to multiply the bottom line by minus 1. Multiply the bottom line by minus 1, so that's minus y 5x. It changes the sign of everything on the second line. Now you add, they cancel, that means it's reduced to 0. So we got 8x minus 6. Now I can move the minus 6 across the equals, so it becomes 6 is equal to 8x. Divide both sides by 8, the number in front of the x. So x is equal to 6 over 8, which is also 0.75. 3 over 4 or 0.75. Right, so we just take one of the equations from above. We have x, we want to find y. So we know what x is, find y. So 3 times 3 over 4 plus 4. So 3 times 3 over 4 is 9 over 4 plus 4? 6.25. 6.25, so 6 1/4. So x is 3/4 and y is 6 1/4. So we had to use the algebraic methods. We had to use simultaneous equations to find the accurate answer because the graph just wouldn't give us an accurate enough answer. You couldn't really figure out that that was over 3/4 and up 6 1/4. You could have got a close enough answer, but that's the final answer.